Kiddy's tree.
Hello, Radiant friends! I'm Reggie the raccoon. I'm here today to find the amazing rolling letter R.
Look, here is the big R and the little r. They are ready to make a sound that rumbles like a car.
The letter R says R. It's our rumble sound. Remember to curl your tongue a little. Radiant. Let's find words. Wow, what a beautiful rainbow. Rainbow starts with R. Say it with me. Rainbow. To the stars. It's a rocket. Rocket also starts with R. Let's say rocket. Look at those long ears. It's a rabbit. Rabbit starts with R too. Try saying rabbit.
Real nice. We saw the R rainbow, the R rocket, and the R rabbit. They all have the rumbling R sound.
Thanks for your readiness.